Hey guys, welcome back in the course. I have written an article for the topic which was how to create a login system in PHP. The main keyword basically in this was login system in PHP, but we can actually add some words, appropriate words or phrases to the title to make it a little bit longer so that it can cover the whole article and the whole subject. But the main keyword, basically the main authentic keyword, is login system in PHP, and I have written an article which is around 900 words. So I'm actually telling you something about optimizing an article for SEO and things to check in the article. So there are when you are writing your articles or you are working for SEO, so you must be familiar with these things because it will come in your career when you are working as an SEO optimizer or consultant or whatsoever. These three terms are basically related to on page and specifically to the length of the article or the words of the article included in that. The first thing is keyword density, which maximum limit by Google is 3%, but mostly we actually use 2% or we add 2%. This is related to the keywords, basically. The keywords inside the article, these three terms. And the second one is keyword prominence, which we can add 100% if we can. We can also add less than, but if we can add 100%, so that is also okay. And keyword proximity is the last thing, which we can also keep up to 100%. The keyword density means the keywords inside your whole article. For example, if you have an article of 500 words, so you can use the keyword, the reserved keyword. Basically, the keyword means that is a special keyword or a reserved keyword for that article or that post or that subject. So Google will actually target that specific keyword. So if you have 500 words article, you can use your keyword maximally 15 times. 15 words will be your keyword. And if that is 1000, then you can actually add 30. But the perfect thing is using 10 words in an article which is of 500 words. This means 2% keyword density in an article, and 3% is the maximum. So if you actually cross this limit, the 3, so you will be banned for keyword stuffing, because you will come into keyword stuffing sector. Keyword stuffing means using excessive keywords in an article so that to cheat Google or to do some kind of spamming and to force Google to actually index that article and rank that article. So this is not allowed in Google, and clear yourself about it. And always keep your density up to 2%, not 3%, because 3% is the maximum length of the keyword density, limit of the keyword. And keyword prominence is something like about placing your keywords in the article. Some people actually put their keywords in the top of the article, in the title of the article, in the permalink of the article, and also in the first paragraph, in the first line of the paragraph. That is also okay, very better, no problem, it will work perfect. And some people actually put their keyword in the title, but they do not include it in the permalink when they don't know or whatsoever, but they donate the keyword repeatedly in different things. So that means they are using less keyword prominence. Their percentage of the keyword prominence is less than the actual one. So the more your prominence is, the more it will be better. And the same as for keyword proximity. Keyword proximity is something like I mean the words, the exact words, I mean the distance between words. For example, I will just give you an example. I will just give you a live example over here on Google. I will say something about login system and I will say login script in PHP. I have wrote a keyword. Now here, how to create a secure login script in PHP. Login script in PHP, this was my keyword, and this is highlighted inside the result, I mean the title in Google, and also another text is highlighted here in the description. So this person is using 100% proximity, I mean the distance between the actual words. Login script in PHP is exactly here. Login script in PHP, login is first, then script, and then PHP. I mean the words are one after another. If there was distance between these words, for example login, if login would be here and PHP would be here, so there will be distance between the exact word. So the proximity will not be 100%, it might be 80% or 60% according to the distance between the exact words. So something like here PHP login script, I have written login script in PHP, in here PHP login script. So this means it has something like 80% keyword proximity, because the words are not actually, exact words are not there, and there is some distance as well. Similarly like that, I can tell you exactly about this title. You know, PHP is written at the starting, and after that there are any other words, for example user authentication, and then login script. So there is a distance between this PHP and these two words. So there comes two words between PHP in login scripts. So these two words actually reduces 40% of the keyword proximity. So this becomes 60% proximity in this case, I mean in this title. And this is 100%, this one is also 100%, simple login script in PHP. So in SEO we actually use logical logics. We can think logically many times and also get information from Google, and also consider different things. So this is basically logical thing, that you actually need to put exact words in the article, in the permalink, so exact those words which actually people search. So your site will be on the top of Google because you are doing things very perfectly and correctly. So I have explained this thing, keyword density, as for repeating the keywords inside the article again and again. I mean the exact keyword that you want your article, you want to optimize your article for these exact reserved keywords. And the keyword prominence means using that keyword where you want to use them. If you want to use them at the top of all the places, for example in the link, permalink, in the title, and at the top of the first line or first paragraph, so that's mean you are using 100% keyword prominence in your placement for the keyword is okay and perfect. And the keyword proximity is the distance between the exact words of the keyword. That's it. Now I have written this article something like 921 words as this article, so I can actually use Control F from my keyboard to find words inside it. Our keyword is login system in PHP, so I can actually repeat login system in PHP word or keyword 27 times in this whole article, but that is the maximum limit. If I keep it up to 15 words or 16 words, that would be perfect, balanced, and I will not be banned. I will never be banned by Google. So I know that, because if I exceed then 27, then I know that it will be keyword stuffing and Google can actually ban me. So I will just write login login PHP. This is a keyword, and login system is also a keyword. You can find anything. Just I will click next. So it says no, there is nothing. Okay, just say login. You can see this is one word here, one here, one here, but I will just simply say highlight all, and it has highlighted all the words, I mean the login. So you can actually see over here word highlighted 27 times, means the login word is used 27 times, and this is the maximum limit that I told you. I have 920 words, and you know the maximum limit of that 3% becomes 27 words, and I have used them all. But if I search for PHP and I say highlight them all, so it says 27 times I have used PHP as well. Now let me check the system also and highlight them. System, I have used system 5 times. You can see over here in the find this. So I have actually to work over this article a little bit more, and to reduce the login word, I mean to reduce the login word so that it can become more appropriate article and more correct articles, and SEO in perfect SEO perspective. So this is how you can check your article for keyword density and for keyword prominence. You can simply include your keyword here, exactly the keyword in the title. Now we have not added the title because we will take, this is simple Word file. We'll take this article to our website here into WordPress, and we'll create a new post, and there I will tell you each and everything about the title, the permalink, and the description, and the SEO setting and things like that, and how to optimize the headings, basically heading 1, heading 2. These are also necessary, and I have added all those into this article, this one. But in this video I was just telling you about the keyword density and things like that, so you can check them all before you publish your article. So that would be better, and when you are familiar with this practice, then you can avoid this automatically in future. So next video we will come and we will actually take this article to online post editor in WordPress, and we'll publish this article after optimizing it with correct SEO techniques. Stay tuned.